Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time of it. This day you're watching this video. So it's Sunday afternoon, rainy Sunday afternoon, may bagyo. So we have another blessing in the house. So may dumating na naman na magandang kotse sa bahay. Not mine, but my friend at pinapabenta. So right now, we have this 2008 Land Cruiser Toyota diesel. So this one is a V8. It has the 4.5 liter engine and local release. So maganda sa autong to is this is first owned. So 2008, back then binili ng daddy niya, but then his dad passed away. Tapos sinalo niya na yung kotse, since then nasa kanya na. But it's time to let it go dahil bumili raw siya ng bagong kotse. At ang binili niya BYD electric, no? So si friend natin si Gilson, the owner of this car, he's actually the ninong of Anika. So close tayo doon. At pinapabenta niya na to. So asikasuhin natin. Anyway, very happy that this car is here kasi this is also one of my dream cars. And if you know, I'm not a diesel guy, pero there's of course an exemption to the rule. Magdi-diesel lang ako pag pick up or pag Land Cruiser. So yan. So I got this car parang 3 days ago lang. Dumating na dito sa bahay, pinahatid ni Gilson. At nagka-problema pa ng una, the remote key here. Yan yung remote key niya. Ayaw gumana, ayaw mag-activate, nagloloko. So pinaayos muna namin. And yung scanner, kasi papaduplicate dapat namin yung remote. But in the scanner, nagloloko, ayaw basahin yung device. So something wrong with the fuse box. So inayos, dinala natin kay GRGA. So Sir Jerry, inayos, pinalitan yung fuse. Thank you so much. So ayos na yung remote key. So again, very happy. Let's feature this car. One of my dream SUVs. Or if not, this is the ultimate SUV that everybody wants, no? Ang maganda rito, kahit hindi ka car guy, kahit walang hilig sa kotse, ang titingin ng kotseng to, alam nila, pag Land Cruiser is Land Cruiser. That's how powerful the brand is, no? Ang binibili mo dito is the Prestige. So ang gandang color nito, this is silver. Everything is stock except of course with the mugs. Pinalitan ni paring Gilson ng mugs. Lexani brand data. This is expensive with the Nitto tires. Bili daw niya dito 200,000 minus the tires. Yung tires iba pa kasi Nitto, so top of the line. This is size 20. Front and rear. Tapos pinalitan din niya yung disc brake for some reason, I don't know why. Si Gilson naman kasi hindi naman yan mahilig sa sasakyan. So yan yung tipong pag may sira, kasa, no? Ganun. So this is kasa maintained. At sobrang simple. Actually, kung titingnan mo, walang abubot, walang roof rack, walang mga anong tawag dito, rain visor, walang moldings, walang spoiler. Kasi yung iba may spoiler dito eh. So this car is very bare, no? Stock na stock. Maganda dito, first owned. So, we are selling this below market price, below 2 million pesos. So, mga siguro 1.9 something. Hindi ko pa siya ipopost. So, that's the agenda for today. I need to take some photos of this car today para maayos natin yung listing. I don't want to post it. I want to keep it here as much as possible dahil sobrang gandang kotse. Sobrang sarap imaneho. I understand bakit ito ang hinahabol dito, no? Bakit ang mga politicians, sa mga businessman, mga actors, mayayaman, ito ang binibili. I understand why. So maganda rito, it has the V8 diesel. Ang lakas, sobra. VX. Pag sa Pilipinas, VX. Pag VXR, Dubai ata. No? So, as I was saying, everything is stock except with the mugs. Hirap, umuulan, sorry, no? But I'm loving the color. Yan ang gusto kong color sa kotse, silver. Kasi kahit madumihan ng auto, hindi halata, no? Ito may lapad niya, oh. Yung lapad niya, halos kasing lapad nitong E150 natin. So, I've driven around 20 kilometers already with this car. So, alam ko na rin yung mga issue niya. So, gamit tong coaching to, it has about 150,000 kilometers on the clock. Tapos to silver. So, 150. Again, this is first owned. Nasa family nila since then. May farm sila Gilson in Batangas. So siguro dinadala-dala rin nila to. But minsan mas maganda yung gamit kasi mas matibay, mas batak yung makina. no? Lalo na pag diesel, importante yung gamit siya para lalong nababatak kasi ang maintenance ng diesel is iba. So, I really love this car, no? That's the problem with me. Mabilis ako ma-inlove sa auto. So, lalo na dito. Kagabi, dala na namin ni Mrs. na Green Hills kami. Sobrang sarap talaga i-drive. Iba ang pakiramdam. So, final look of the car from the outside for you. Sobrang simple lang naman. What I love about this style, the LC200, this is yung tawag dyan. Ito ang favorite variant ko sa lahat ng Land Cruiser is the LC200 and this style. Itong mukhang yan, yung exactly yan. Kasi medyo may touch pa ng old school with those massive headlights. Ang laki ng headlight, ng grill, at ng fog lamp, ang laki talaga. Tapos yung body niya, of course malapad, pero medyo curvy na. So may touch na ng modern, no? Makikita mo, papunta na sa modern. Dahil may curve lines na. And I love this, yung hood niya dito, yung bulge, yung dalawang bulge niya. Kitang-kita yan pag nira-drive mo. So medyo para ka may sungay, no? Ang angas lang ang dating. I love the simplicity of the design. Kung titingnan nyo ka, parang Revo eh. Diba? Parang Revo na malaki. So this is a timeless design for me. My favorite design of the Land Cruiser. Comparing with the 300, mas gusto ko ang itsura nito. Mas classic kasi. Ang problema lang, medyo mataas siya. Ayan, kung titingnan nyo. So if this was my car, ibababa ko ng konti. Puputulan ko siguro. Para bumaba lang ng konti. Dahil ito, ang taas ng likod. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng wing dito dahil nabibitin ako sa likod. Lalagyan ko rin siya ng rain gutters, rain visors. Kasi, to be honest, yung rain visors, may Pajero has one. Nagagamit ko talaga, lalo na pag ganyan umuulan. Kasi ako yung tipong, pag in-start yung kotse from cold, ayoko nag-aircon agad. I give it mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes bago ako mag-aircon. So, pag umuulan, kung walang rain visor, pumapasok sa loob. Pero kung may rain visor, hindi pumapasok. It helps. So probably kung ako yan, lalagyan ko ng rain visor yan. Yun lang naman. Tapos syempre, since gamit ang kotse, may mga gas-gas. Tapos hindi na pantay-pantay ang kulay niya. Original paint pa naman. But then yung mga bumper na pinturahan na ata, like this one, iba na kulay from this one. Pag silver, kita kasi halata. So yan, may gas-gas dito. May gas-gas. Binafing na nga. So the car is used. May mga battle scar siya, no? Ayan, dito. Gas-gas, gas-gas. Pero wala namang bangga. And I asked Gilson kung may pinagawa na ba dito. Major. Wala naman daw. Talagang maintenance lang sa kasa. Ayan, no? Some flaws. Kaya I will sell it below market price. Below market value. Kasi ang market value nito ngayon is 2 million and up. So that's the beauty with the Land Cruiser. It holds value, lalo na yung mga luma. No? Mas sought after itong mga ganito. Kasi it has the V8 pa. Kasi yung mga Land Cruiser ngayon, the 300, V6 na lang turbo. No? So iba talaga yung V8 eh. Anyway, let's discuss about it later. Silipin natin yung loob. Engine pala tayo muna. No? So, okay. Sa local release unit, ang focus nila was the engine. Ayan. 4.5 liter V8 diesel. So I believe twin turbo yan. So twin turbo yan. Malakas na malakas. Diesel. Ang laki ng intake. Medyo madumi lang. Again, dahil this car is driven at kakakuha ko lang. Hindi ko pa siya napapaayos or something. This car has about 230 horsepower if I'm not mistaken. Pero mas kilala yung engine na yan sa torque. Ang torque nito napakalakas, no? Around 650 ata Newton meters of torque if I'm not mistaken. So, the engine is running really good, really nice. Ang lakas ng hatak, bumabaon, so the turbos are not sira. The turbos are working well, naririnig mong sumisipol. And dito nag-focus ng Toyota noon with this car, with this Land Cruiser, is the efficiency of the diesel engine, of the powertrain, no? So, ang lakas talaga nito, sobrang reliable. People buy these cars because of this. Ito parang bago pa nga. No? Yan lang naman yung engine yan. Kita mo naman, masikip. So much happening inside. Sikip oh, dami nangyayari oh. Diba? So again, exception to the rule, kung magdi-diesel ako, it's this one. V8. Kasi ngayon, ang 300Z, puro V6 na lang, twin turbo. At hindi na V8. So sought after itong V8 na to. Kasi it makes a lot of difference when driving her. With this massive body. So, doon tayo sa loob ng kotse. Ang laki ng pintuan, ang bigat ng pintuan. Same with the outside, may battle scar siya sa loob kasi nga ginagamit. Unang-una, yan, ang pangit. Kakainis, no? So, first thing gagawin, if again, this was my car, papaayos ko yung upholstery nito. Ito lang naman ang upuan na to. Kasi nga, driver ang gumagamit, nakailang driver na rin. So, syempre, hindi natin maiwasan. Paano sila umupo? Medyo hindi maingat siguro. Ayan, kaya natatastas, no? Tapos papadetail ko loob nito dahil ang daming gasgas. Ito, signs ng usage, no? Hindi ako sanay sa ganyan kasi mostly mga kotse natin walang mga gasgas na ganyan, yung mga duming ganyan. Dito. Yeah, pasok tayo. Diyan. Ayan. Yun lang naman, yung gasgas mostly dito. Okay naman to. May mga gasgas lang. So baka makuha pa sa detail. Anyway, actually si Rocky, yung friend natin, Land Cruiser expert din yun. So tinignan niya na to the other day kasi he was supposed to buy this unit. Kaya lang di kami nagkasundo sa presyo. He offered lower than I wanted. So ipopost ko muna. Sabi niya, yung mga panels na yan, yung mga trims na yan, makakabili ka naman daw sa Lazada or Shopee. Galing, no? Gulat ako. So guide ko akin to. Possible palitan natin yung mga panels para magmukhang bago ulit. So the radio is not working. This is aftermarket already, EVT kasi. So ako rin, first thing gagawin ko dito, palitan ko na tong head unit, 2 din, dahil it's not working, no? So very simple, again, the simplistic approach, what I like about the Land Cruiser, simplistic approach. As you can see, there's basically nothing, no? Siyempre, 2008, may mga knobs pa. Ang 4x4 niya, this is the 4x4, is gano'n na lang. So, H4, L4, push start already. Ito, may mga deflock ata, whatever, hindi ko alam ano yan. We have the idle up. Kasi diesel, so kailangan mong tumaas yung minor, idle up mo. So on and so forth. Ito, when I was adjusting the aircon, kasi sobrang lamig na aircon nito, hinahanap ko kung saan yung controls. Wala dito. Hindi ko mahanap, no? Yan lang, sobrang minimal buttons. Andito pala siya. So, ang weird lang ng design, yung if you want to change the controls of the climate, dito, per side pa. Galing, ano? Kakatawa lang, no? Buttons pa, oh. So, unique touch. First time I've seen this one in Toyota. Tapos, I really love this one. Napaka-macho ng dating. Napaka lalaki ang dating. And you get the wood trims pa. No? Pwede rin siyang, this is a 6-speed. Yung transmission natin is 6-speed. So, meron siyang sports mode or manual mode, what I call plus minus. Transmission is working really, really good. Ang lakas ng kapit ng transmission na to, no? So, again, the focus of Toyota back then when they released this car was also the 4x4 system. At Toyota may mga crawl to, Di ko lang alam kung paano, Baka dito yan, ewan ko. So, meron din yung mga crawl and the 4x4. Diyan sila nag-focus para if need be, efficient ang 4x4 system natin. Yung cigarette dito nawawala. So, dali naman maganap yan sa Shopee. Mga gagawin ko. Again, if this was my car, gusto ko talaga. Kung may budget lang ako talaga, ako na kumuha nito Tapos tingnan mo, sariwa naman yung ceiling, yung headrest natin, ay headliner. Puti, wala naman dumi. At yung likod, napakaluwag dyan sa likod na yan. I'm telling you guys. Of course, with the wrap around aircon. No? So, yun lang yung loob. Sa likod tayo. Tambay naman tayo sa likod. Again, may mga battle scars dito. So, interior detailing, no? Unang-una gawin. Kasi baho din, Hindi ko rin gusto yung amoy niya. Ang baho ng amoy. So, unang-unang gagawin ko dito, interior detailing. Pero grabe talaga ang space sa likod, man. One of the largest vehicles I've been. Parang mas malaki pa sa, di ba, if you remember, we were able to drive the LC300 ZX before. Nagawa na natin ng video. If you haven't seen that, please scroll down sa channel natin and makikita mo dun. It's a very good car. It's a modern car. Pero iba-iba sila dito sa LC200. Parang ito mas spacious pa kaysa dun. Ang luwag talaga. Grabe. 5-seater, 7 if need be. May detiklop. Pero maganda. Detiklop pa. Very classy. Pero ang laki. Tsaka ang luwag talaga na upuan. Boss na boss, I would understand bakit ito ang gugustuhin ng boss, no? I would understand. Yung feel talaga niya is very, very different. So, of course, you have the aircon here. It's working. Wala naman. Again, it's simplistic approach. Walang monitor dito, which I like. Ayoko na masyado maraming arte. But here, look, oh. Pag andito ka, ang ganda ng view mo, no? Solid na solid, no? Yan ang LC. Land Cruiser all the way. Pag sa akin to, for keeps to. Forever. And buti walang sunroof. I don't like sunroof kasi it's a failure point. Di naman natin ginagamit talaga yan in real life. So, local. Talagang itong coaching to, magagamit mo, maaasahan mo. Sasaludo sa'yo lahat ng guard dito. Tatakbo pa to open the door for you, no? Yun ang binibili mo dito, eh. So, that's it. Labas, loob. Nakita na natin yung mga flaws. Ito rin, no? Parang yung louvers niya, no? Siguro mabibigat yung kamay. Anyway, that can be fixed if need be. Tapos, yun, wala naman. O, may ashtray pa. Kasi during that time, nagayose pa. Ngayon kasi wala nang ganyan, eh, no? Yung mga ashtray, oh. Si congressman, kung nagayose, oh, dyan siya. You have the cup holders there. Massive speakers. Yun nga lang sira ang radyo natin, so bad trip. Pero may RFI dito, both North NLEX and SLEX meron. So magagamit. So sana talaga hindi mabenta pa to para magamit natin, no? Para magamit-gamit ko. Dahil super love na love ko tong coaching to. Kakaiba talaga. Anyway, later let's discuss more about the car, what I feel about the car. Let's head over to SM. May kailangan lang akong biling grocery, no? Before we go pala, ito. One of the iconic features ng coaching to. Ba't kilala? Is yung likod, yung picnic, ano ba ang tawag dito? Split type na tailgate. Ano ba to? Shhh. Wait lang, take 2. Yan, the split type. Siyempre ito, ano. So, there you go. You can sit here. Kung nag-overland ka, very durable, very sturdy. Again, no, there's battle scars, you can see. Ito siguro niloloadan ng gamit. Kaya may mga gas dito. Yun lang naman, no? So, let's head over to SM. And driving video naman for you guys. Para marinig nyo this mighty V8. Kung saan kilala yan. Kung ba't ko siya love na love. Dahil V8, iba ang hatak. First start. Brake. Glug. Ayun, no? The gauge. Simple design. Blue. I'm loving the blue. Yun siya sabi ko. Pagka cold start kasi yung kotse, ayoko yung inoon agad ang aircon. Pinapahinga ko muna siya. So, kung may rain visor, hindi papasok yung tubig. Kasi kung wala yan, pumapasok. So, yun. So, it has... Yan. Sorry. I don't know if you can see, 154,000 kilometers, no? Which is good. Ibig sabihin, gamit. So, parang nakaka-25 kilometers na ako sa kanya. Ganda talaga ng loob, no? Simpleng-simple. Ayan, no? Yung outside temperature nandyan, tapos pag yung aircon dito mo kukontrolin. Full tank. Medyo malakas sa gas, to be honest. Medyo nakikita ko na gumagalaw yan, no? Again, 4x4 kasi siya. Loving the inside of the LC200. The wipers are also sira. So, kailangan palitan. Di na maganda yung kamot niya. The tint also, as you can see, sira na. So, maganda palagyan na ceramic tint to, no? Ngayon kasi ceramic tint, dark. Gusto ko dark dito para hindi kakita sa loob. Yung nga pala, yung Everest, yung pinaceramic tint natin yan kay Kirsten Autoworks, sobrang lamig sa loob. Nag-iba talaga. Ang ganda. Okay. So, we are driving the LC200 with a 4.5 liter engine, diesel engine, V8, no? Comparing with the 300ZX, because I've already driven one, the newer model, the ZX, has the 3.3 liter at the same twin turbo setup, more horsepower, 400 horses, pero I think this one, the torque has stronger torque, no? So, and I have a lot of friends who owns both the ZX and this one. And sinasabi rin nila, mas preferred pa rin nila talaga itong LC200 because of the hatak. Ang lakas talaga ng hatak niya. Pag ginanon mo yan, ramdam mo yung hatak, galit na galit yung kotse. At it gives you so much confidence, no? The 300ZX kasi, as far as I can remember, matulin siya. Matulin, parang kotse. So, matutuwa ka naman doon sa tulin nun. And sa modern na mga interior inside, what I mean. Kasi modernized na siya. Doon naman siya ginawa yung focus is to be comfortable inside. So, kaya ito, feeling ko, pag pinost natin to, it will sell fast. Kasi it's first owned. It's the LC200. It's a local release. It has the V8 diesel engine pa. No? Kaya I'm hesitating to post. Sana hindi mabili agad para ma-enjoy pa natin. No? I really like this car. So we're headed to SM Tendesitas. Really raining. Hirap mag-vlog. So bili lang ako doon. Tapos let's head back. Ayun o. Pasko na sa SM. Ganda sa SM eh. So this is my favorite supermarket. SM Tendesitas. Kasi ang dali. Huge parking. Tapos easy access. And masarap kumain sa loob. So parking this vehicle can be quite a challenge, no? Okay, so we are parked. Hindi lang ako sanay masyado. Pero yan, medyo mahirap i-park kasi malapad talaga siya, no? So bili lang ako something sa supermarket, then balikan ko kayo. And just like that, I got the groceries already. So let's head back home with this LC200. So, yan siya sabi ko, no? Pinagkakatiwalaan tayo ng mga kaibigan natin. So, I need to sell this car kahit na ayoko siyang ibenta dahil sobrang gandang auto. I really have this feeling that this will be a fast sell kasi it's an iconic car, LC200 again, first owned. So, bihira na kasi yung mga ganun ngayon, no? So, let's drive back home. Yan, climb check. Kayang-kaya. And to be honest, hindi siya masyadong tunog diesel. So hindi naman maingay yung tunog truck ba. What I mean when I say tunog diesel is tunog truck or tunog jeep. Hindi naman. Okay lang. Tsaka maganda kasi V8. Iba yung gargle talaga ng V8. Lag. May ganun siya. Yeah, sobrang ganda, no? And the steering really feels heavy, I won't lie. So hindi siya magaan dalhin. You can feel the heaviness of the car. Comparing with the 300ZX, as far as I can remember, yung 300ZX mas light siya dalhin. Ito mas heavy, no? But siguro mas magaan yun kasi V6 na nga lang and mas modern. So parang this one, medyo mahirap isingit-singit sa traffic, no? Kung kailangan mong gumanon-ganon, medyo mahirap siguro. But along a straight line, this car is wonderful. You know? Lalo na sa highway siguro, yung rektahan nito. Such a beautiful car. Ang laki na side mirror. I'm loving the side mirror. Kitang-kita ako lahat, no? Tsaka yung likod, oh. Yung space na yan sa likod. I'm sure ang sarap pumupo dyan. Siyempre, hindi naman ako nakakaupo dyan because I'm always the driver. So I can understand, no, why people buy this LC200. Talagang congressman ang dating mo, big boss, you're the owner of the company, artista ka, you're a businessman. Talagang pag ganun siya, yung the prestige, it gives you the prestige talaga, this Land Cruiser. Tsaka sobrang tibay, sabi ni Gilson sa akin. Hindi karga yun, again, take note ha. So, ang tibay niyan, for him para sabihin yun, pag ang tao hindi kargay, tapos sabihin ang tibay ng sasakyan, ibig sabihin matibay talaga. Kasi pag hindi ka kargay, most probably hindi ka masipag magpa-maintenance, you know, hindi ka OC, papagawa mo lang kung may sira. Pero kung kargay ka, kaalagaan mo yan almost every week, di ba? Pinapakintab mo yan, ganyan. So, kung sabihin niya na matibay to, ibig sabihin matibay talaga. So, and I can feel it, you know? Paparamdam naman sa'yo ng auto na matibay siya. Kaya, again, this car holds value. That's the beauty of it. Pag binili mo ngayon, benta mo in the future, most likely, ganun pa rin ang presyo. Kunti lang ang depreciation. It's one of those cars, few cars left na nag-hold ang value, no? And the simplicity, hindi nakakatakot. Again, comparing sa Land Rover, yan, kalaban nito, Land Rover, di ba? Yun, sophisticated car yun. Nakakatakot yun. Kasi puro computer. Ito, hindi. Kasi off the badge, Toyota. No? So ayan, medyo mahirap lang sa singitan. Kasi nga medyo mabigat talaga yung auto. No? Yun lang yung drawback when driving her. One pull for you. So, walang usok oh. Hindi umuusok sa likod. Grabe yung makina talaga. The efficiency of the engine. Yung brake lang talaga kailangan natin ipa-check dahil nahinaan ako, medyo malalim. So it might need servicing. Lamig ng aircon. Alright, I'm really loving this car. I've been driving this for 3 days straight. Siyempre, minamaximize ko. Because it's not every day that we have a Land Cruiser in our garage. Another blessing, nagulat na lang ako tumawag. Actually, matagal yan ang sinasabi to, even way back pa, years ago pa. Pero again, since this car is the car of his dad, favorite car of his dad, who passed away already. So it holds a sentimental value. Kaya he decided na to restore it, to use it. Tapos, ayun nga, siguro since nakabili na ng bagong sasakyan, they need the space, nilet go niya na. At tayo ang pinagkatiwalaan. Honored. Chu family, thank you for trusting me. I will post this already. Ayun, may 300 GX. Teka, abulin natin. Merong puting 300 GX. And this color, by the way, the silver, sabi ni Rocky, medyo expert sa Land Cruiser yun. Bihira daw yung kulay na yan, yung silver na to. So, kaya gusto rin sana niya yung auto. Pasado naman sa kanya, kaya lang yung offer niya medyo mababa. No? So, we are hoping to get more offers kasi this car has sentimental value kila Gilson. So, yan. Ganda. Ayun, 300 GX. Let's try to catch up with the car. May roof rack, pangit. Maganda yung wala, yung malinis lang. We are here in Green Meadows Avenue already. Yung lubak. Umahataw hindi natin mahabol. Umahataw yung 300. Yung lubak, kayang-kaya of course. Yan, dito, pangit daan dito. Pero the suspension system of this car talaga is really amazing, no? Kaya confident kahit malaki siya, may tulin din Kasi nga yung engine efficiency, doon sila nag-focus. Si Toyota. Simpleng-simple. Ganda pa, blue, no? I don't know if you can see yan. One of the things that I like when driving this car is I can see the hood bulge, yung dalawang bulge niya, no? Angas no? So, yan kasi to give way sa intake, sa air intake, since malaki yung air intake niya. Butas yan sa loob. May air inlet, may nakita ako. So, ang ganda lang. Kita mo yung bulge. Ayan, so we are near the house. Ayun, may isa pang LC 200. Ito naman itim. Madami, dito madami. V8 din, ayan. Itim, no? Pareho sila. So, tayo silver mas bihira, mas maganda. Maganda yung kulay natin kasi. Maganda silver talaga sa kotse. Gustong gusto ko. Kasi hindi dumihin. I really love this car, no? Sana one day we get to own one. Kung mag-diesel ako, again ganito. Alright. Okay, so that's the vlog for you. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this LC200. Again, for sale, less than 2 million, 1.9 something siguro. I'll post this already. So, nakunan ko na ng pictures. And the final look of this beautiful, iconic Land Cruiser local released in the Philippines. 230 horsepower, 650 Newton meters of torque. Such a beautiful car. No? A timeless beauty, a timeless car. So, thank you for watching.
2 different levels, I cannot relate.